Tired of fumbling through menus to add a video to your slides? Learn the fastest way to insert any video in Google Slides. So here's the thing. If you've ever sat there clicking around, trying to find where Google hides the video option, you're not alone. It's one of those little things that should be simple, but somehow ends up taking way too long. And that's exactly why I wanted to put this together. At AI Mastery, we've tested pretty much every workflow for making presentations faster. And trust me, this is the cleanest, most reliable method I've found. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps, from opening the Insert menu to selecting your video source and getting it onto your slide. It's going to take just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll wonder why you ever struggled with this. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure you have your Google Slides presentation open. It doesn't matter if you're starting from scratch or working on something you already have going. Now, look up at the top of your screen. You'll see the menu bar with File, Edit, View, and so on. Go ahead and click on Insert. That's your gateway to pretty much everything you'd want to add to a slide. Images, text boxes, shapes, and of course, video. From that drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Video. You don't even have to click yet. Just hover, and you'll see it pop out to the side with a few options. Click on Video. A window will open up on your screen, and this is where the magic happens. Now, here's where you have a choice. Google Slides gives you a few different sources for your video. You'll see a tab that says Search. This lets you search YouTube directly from within Slides. It's super convenient if you're looking for something like a product demo or a tutorial that's already out there. Just type in what you want, and it'll pull up results right there in the window. But there's another option. If you already have a video saved somewhere, maybe you recorded a screen capture or you have a specific file on your computer, you can click the Google Drive tab. This will show you all the videos you've uploaded to your drive. And here's a tip I've picked up from doing this a lot. If you're working with a team, it's often easier to store the video in a shared drive folder first. That way, everyone who needs access to the presentation can find it without hunting through their own files. And there's one more option. The By URL tab. If you have a direct link to a video, paste it in there. This works for YouTube links and some other sources too. But honestly, in my experience, the search and Google Drive options cover most situations. So let's say you found the perfect video. Maybe it's a YouTube clip that explains a concept perfectly. Click on it in the search results, and you'll see a preview on the right side of the window. Take a moment to make sure it's the right one. You don't want to accidentally insert the wrong video and have to do this all over again. Once you've confirmed it's the one you want, look down at the bottom right of that window. There's a blue button that says Insert. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, your video appears on the slide. You can click and drag it to wherever you want it to sit. Resize it by pulling the corners, just like you would with an image. And when you're presenting, click to the slide, and then click the play button on the video. It'll play right there in your presentation without ever opening a separate browser tab. So the next time someone asks you how to add a video to a Google slide, you can show them exactly how it's done. From Insert to Video, pick your source, select the clip, and click Insert. That's it. No more guessing, no more wasted time. And if you found this helpful, there's plenty more where this came from. We're always digging into the tools that make your work life easier over at AI Mastery. So take what you learned here and put it to use. Your next presentation is going to look that much better.